Oh my gosh. Oh, it didn't work. There she is. Let's just hope she stays there. Actually making the fire go better because it's Bro, can you speak English? It's making the fire go better. We got fire and we got snow. I don't even think. Yeah, you can kind of see it.
And we got a construction zone.
And we got this redneck going to pee in the woods. That hurt.
Watch out!
Watch out the truck.
Huh?
Watch out for the truck.
Dude, that first one we did was so clean. The first time was so okay. Oh, he's gonna go straight. Run! Oh. Well, I wish I had the first time you guys did that. I know, we did it so good the first time. I don't know how. Me and Bryce.
Where you guys drifting?
Yeah, you might want to move. Let's go put our bikes and get in the bed.
Oh.
I think I was right.
I hit my nutsack, dude. It hurt so bad.
I bet.
Oh, yeah. Oh, oh my God.
Shit.
Oh, 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 oh. Oh my gosh.
Got a little rip.
Oh, yeah?
What are you doing there, buddy?
I see Jake killing.
Bro, you should have seen it with me, him, and
I know that hurts.
Peyton were on.
Gotta get on with
Nah,
it.
it don't hurt. It don't hurt like that. Only when you fall. What? Why are you looking at me like that?
It don't hurt.
It don't until you
That's
fall.
it. That's tabletop to the other
Now he's
one.
putting in 4.
Well, let's hit in the tabletop.
I'm not hitting the jump. No.
Bro, you just have no choice. It's so funny when you really. He's like.
There's no way I was making this.
The Mean Green Machine.
Oh, yeah.
Let's go, baby! This guy's a madman. Yeah, you better get out of the way, bro. Yo! Nah, not this again. Get out the way, get out the way. Ah! Ah! Oh! Oh my God!
Holy shit! Look at the run.
Me Green Machine's back at it, baby! Oh, he's down too!
I was trying to come just up here.
Should have been a Honda.
Go run to my phone,
I'm
please.
telling you, these Yamahas ain't it, bro. This Yamaha and Kawasaki, bro.
Hey, let's see your bike come down here and do this. Yeah, can you fucking want shit? Let's see it.
Let me go get it.
Honestly, fuck.
Well, I prefer not to be under.
Somebody see it. I'll fucking man on this bitch. I don't give a fuck.
Oh, well.
Hey, Bryce, what happened, buddy?
Same thing that always happens with this guy.
He tries to do the dumb shit at the bottom.
Someone help him.
I don't swing that way. I've been saying this. I don't swing that way. I don't touch Kawasaki.
Look at his
What, like land it?
group.
Yeah.
Let's have it.
Alright, okay.
Baroque.
I would have just lifted it up, to be honest. Like, put it on.
I would have just rode it out. Let it go, let it go.
Yeah, low key, if it was my Honda, I would have been fine. That's a manly man.
Not the bike though.
This hole has
Not
got
the bike.
no place.
But the man. Oh.
You guys were like, was he doing that on purpose going down the...
Dude, I'm gonna clear this door out.
No, I'm gonna do. Dude, I was just like this the whole time. I was going.
Muddy before and now it's wet. You get 17
Dude.
Hey guys. Hello, Wendy's.
I'm about to take off.
Why are you so damn dirty? I don't even know, man.
We got sent to the camera, dude.
It's cold.
Two-wheel drive doesn't work very well in the snow.
Behind the counter. I missed my pants.
What?
Can someone just get me a medium fry? and
Ain't nobody
frosting?
getting you nothing, bro. ain't nobody. Ain't nobody getting you nothing.
Nothing. And I mean nothing.
No, like, look serious. Look, ready?
Hey, should I put napkins on my shoes again?
No, you're supposed to say nothing while you're toasting out.
Do I gotta get you?
It died.
I need to wash my face.
Get in there, boy.
I need to wash my face, Daddy.
Whoa. What?
Straight to hit the roundabout.
Oh.
And straight to the roundabout.
Oh shit! Oh damn! Fuck! Oh my gosh!
Hello.
Oh my lord!
Have a good night, sir.
So what'd you do?
Ma'am, have a good night.
Oh, where's Brayden?
It's on video, guys.
Oh my gosh! You got it on video?
They got it on video.
Dude.
You don't think you would?
Alright,
Yeah.
post crash interview. His
So-
car's down there, let's see.
So I came around the corner, okay?
Oh,
And when I come around the corner, I didn't get on it much, but I was trying to just drive. So I hit the gas and it slid, and it was either life or death. And I came in here and I thought we were gonna flip, but it's okay. We stopped in our tracks. But it was a rough ride. Nothing's hurt on it or nothing. I don't know yet.
Oh, yeah, you down in the middle of the road.
no!
I wish my truck could do that, but I can't.
Dude, I was sick.
Yeah! It's that day! Woo! Oh! Yeah! Yeah! Hey! 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 Yeah!
How about we pull my truck out and I get redemption with this turn?
Yeah. Let's do it.
Well, he's trying to move, so you want it every few
Literally anywhere but here and I'd be happy.
Watch out, Russ.
I'm
Go
back,
fucking
I'm
Florida.
backing way up, dude.
Yeah, I'm sticking by you, buddy.
I'm backing way up. That guy is high, dude. I saw his eye. Bro is high, dude. Like, I got high from opening his window.
Oh, yeah, the concrete. Oh, my bad.
What's up? Now, snuggle up, bro. Snuggle up. It's cold.
Real. I didn't know she was right there. He said, like,
Yeah, honestly, dude.
like, I'm...
This ain't no joke.
It's not, bro. What did I know about?
It already broke? He hit that thing kind of hard, dude.
Yeah, you gotta, like, ease into it first. He's too high for this.
What's up? Yep. Our dumb friend.
Yep.
Yeah, he's dead.
No.
Can I? Having fun? Nice and thirsty.
Yeah.
Let's see a donut. I can't do a donut. It's all-wheel drive.
Oh my gosh.
Ford that could.
Hey, he's moved though. He's moved.
What does that sound?
What's the whistle? Get down!
Is that a tire?
Mike. Oh no!
Oh, fuck. Hey, you want us to push you?
Oh, dude, that car. Hey, move out the way, that car's coming. Oh. I think his tires popped too, bro.
Oh, 100%.
What is happening? How did I get here?
I don't know, bro.
How did I get here?
Is this headlight busted out?
Yeah.
It looks like it is.
Oh, yeah, Brayden.
Big old wheelie bar right, yeah! Yeah!
Oh, he's spinning.
Hello? Yeah, I was wondering if you could come help us, but I think we got it now.
Hey, yeah, hey, Zach, go get in there.
We got Brayden's truck
Give him a
stuck
push.
in a ditch.
Go get in there, Zach.
Like, you know whenever you come off like left on the Weisinger, like on the third?
Hey, I'd rather pay for a new tire than a new truck. Exactly.
That's real.
Tire and tow bill is probably gonna be the same price.
Rather pay for one than both. Hell yeah, guys.
Yippee.
Is your phone sparkling?
Yeah, it is
That's
perfect.
fire.
I lost a bet and like somewhere. Yeah, we're getting out the way. Ah!
Run!
Oh! Oh! Oh, I'm falling. Let's see how good his pullout game is. Yeah! Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Yeah! 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 Yeah!
The glass broke.
Yeah! Yeah!
Let's go, baby!
Yeah! He's free, man! Yeah, give us a little dance, give us a little dance. Hey, hit that thing! Woo!
Yeah, I'm not getting those trees out.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, look this guy over.
Bumper's fucked, dude.
Missing a headlight?
Got it out.
Oh my God, dude.